This is a night job. He's waiting for now for the next truck to come, or he's going for. Let us see where is he going to. Yeah, he's waiting. He's waiting for the truck to come. The truck is coming. The truck is coming right there. The truck will come here. This is not a truck, this is the yard jockey. He will walk under, and he did not come out of the truck. He stopped right here. And the winch went down. This is a hook from the top. This is a hook from the top. If you see it carefully, he's putting the 4 pins in holes with cameras. Then he's going to pick it up. Very slow, up, slow. Balance. You balance it, the tractor walk away with the chassis. Now he put it on the train. The other guy did not, you see, look at the truck. The driver did not leave. He have to come out and go on the top of each of the trailer and put the hook for the second layer. This is the night time, how they load the trains at night. Now he finished. He's going to go to wait for the next truck to come. This driver did not leave. He came out of the truck to do the other job. Now the next driver is coming right there at the end. He has nothing. He can take a break now. You can see him in the corner. He is taking a break right here. You look like a very healthy guy or a big guy. The next truck is coming. You can see me taking a picture of him. This is a truck coming right there. CSX. He's going to put under the crane. The crane is going down with the cameras. He's putting the hooks in the holes. Twist the hooks so he can hook to the trailer. Easy. The chassis pulled forward. You lift it up, you move it to the side. When you drop it in the train, there is no noise. At least from my side. Drop it. Yeah, there is a loud noise. The guy came out of the train right here. He's putting the lock on that container of the 4 corners. Each driver will do 2 corners. He's doing one side, the other side. If you grab something from the ground, the locks are sitting on the trailer. Then he grabbed them, put them on the corner. I can show you, I can see them with my own eyes. The lock on the top of the container. Sometimes they fall on the floor, and each driver I have one of these locks in my yard. Now he's waiting for the next truck.